In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero email address. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher on how to locate your email address within the platform, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate Xero's interface with ease and confidence. First things first, let's head over to Xero. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Xero homepage URL, or simply searching for Xero in your search engine. Once the page is loaded, look for the login option, which you should find easily at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Now it's time to access your account. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. Fill in these details correctly to ensure a smooth login process. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking on the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center in Xero, where you can navigate to various sections of your account. Once you're inside, your next move is to go to the Businesses tab. This option is easily locatable within the dashboard, and clicking on it will expand further options related to your business transactions and records in Xero. From the expanded menu, you're going to find and click on Bills to Pay. This is where Xero aggregates all the bills and invoices that are pending action from your end. After clicking on Bills to Pay, you'll want to look for an option named Automate Bill Entry, which is designed to help you streamline the process of managing your bills. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to automate the entry of your bills by using a unique email address provided by Xero. Clicking on this option will bring you closer to finding the Xero email address you're searching for. Now here comes the crucial part. Upon choosing the Automate Bill Entry option, you will be presented with your unique Xero email. This email address is what Xero has specifically assigned to you for sending and receiving bill-related documents directly into your Xero account, facilitating a more seamless financial management process. Make sure to copy your Xero email address carefully. You can either write it down or copy it to your clipboard for future use. With your Xero email address now securely noted, let's head back to the dashboard by either using the navigation menu or clicking on the Dashboard Xero option from your current page. This will return you to the starting point, the central hub of your Xero environment. Our final step involves a small but important detail, locating your business bank account information. Once back on the dashboard, look for your business bank account, which should be displayed prominently. The purpose here isn't directly related to finding your email, but rather to familiarize you with the dashboard layout and where things are located. It's all part of mastering the navigation within your Xero account, and there you have it. You've successfully located your Xero email address and taken a brief tour of some essential components within the Xero platform. Remember, your Xero email is a powerful tool for managing your bills and invoices more efficiently, so keep it safe and make the most out of it. Whether you're organizing your finances, managing business transactions, or simply exploring the functionalities of Xero, understanding how to locate and use your unique Xero email can streamline your processes significantly. We hope this guide has provided you with a clear path to not only finding your Xero email address, but also has given you a bit more insight into navigating the platform's dashboard. That's all for today's tutorial. We encourage you to take these steps at your own pace and become comfortable with the process. Xero is designed to make your accounting tasks as straightforward as possible, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's an invaluable tool for your business. Keep exploring, and you'll discover even more ways Xero can help manage your financial operations efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you with more tips and tricks in future videos.